Hi and welcome to this Octopus 101 video on creating a project. If you haven't seen the earliest videos yet, check out the description below for links. There are 4 ways to create a project in Octopus: blank project, importing a website, generated with AI, or a template. Frankly speaking, if you're start from scratch type of person, go with blank project. This option will give you a dummy sitemap with bunch of just couple of pages and some dummy blocks, nothing to distract you from expressing your creativity and creating your sitemap. Templates, on the other hand, will give you mostly the same but just pre-built sitemap with the 4 common type of projects. So what I really want to focus on is my favorite, generated with AI. So if you click on this button here, it will open the model window with input for your prompt. I have my prompt copied here. I click generate, and normally about 10 seconds, it takes about 10 to 15 seconds to create a sitemap. So you can follow the progress and allow it just to create a sitemap. Let's allow it to finish and see the result. So we can see it actually creating a sitemap, adding blocks and wireframes. So I'm saving this project to my account, zooming to fit, and I see that it's absolutely wonderful sitemap. Everything's here, everything's just according to my prompt. So, and I can start working from here. It's just getting a day's work instantly. So let's get back to our dashboard and explore our last way of creating a project, but not least, it's one of my I really like this way of creating a project because it allows me to use an existing website to create a sitemap. So it's called import, and there are 2 sub options: it's crawler or sitemap XML file import. So let's start with crawler. So I can enter any website here, almost any website. I write its URL address, I select page only or with meta tags, and click crawl. I can run it in the background to continue working on another project, or I just can wait. I can stop and see the result right away. And let us see. So it crawled. I think it was 10 seconds, wasn't it? And I get what we have here. So this is how Octopus.do looks for a Google or Bing search engine. So this is my sitemap. You can explore it. You can crawl any website up to 3,000 pages. And sitemap XML file is import is just the same. It just uses a sitemap XML file, not crawling one page by one page. It just imports the sitemap XML file. And if you would like to explore it, there is a link to the crawler in the description. Feel free to click it. Bottom line, each method fits its own type of projects. So what's your pick? Let us know in the comments.